1973 Porsche 914, 77,000 miles. Absolutely wonderful condition. Car was repainted and was done to the highest standards. The paint is just impeccable. The fit and finish on the car is amazing. Chrome is great, rubber is great. The interior is almost all original and in absolutely immaculate condition. A couple of little marks. If you look at the shut lines all the way around the car, they're very straight. If you look down the side of the car, nothing's sticking out. Everything is flush, just like it came from the factory. Very rare color. Runs fantastic. Great little gem.